Hello everybody. I can't believe another week has gone so quickly and that we're here again on a Monday, Monday the 1st of March. It's St. David's Day today. Next week, Monday the 8th of March, we'll see everybody returning to school, which we are really excited about. People in school are really excited to have everybody back in one place. We can't wait to see everybody. I'm sure you're all quite excited about coming back as well. I know the children in school are looking forward to having all their classmates back as well, and it's something that we're really looking forward to. Thinking about coming back into school, some of you will be feeling really excited, but equally there might be lots of you at home who are feeling quite anxious about things at the moment. Feeling anxious or worried about things is a really normal reaction to have, and those feelings that we do get from feeling worried and anxious about things are there to help and to protect us. Sometimes though, those worries get a little bit too big for us, and it's learning how to deal with those worries that is the important thing that we need to learn how to do. I found a really good book called A Little Spot of Worry by a lady called Diane Alber, which I want to share with you now. There's a whole series of the books all based on different emotions, and I wanted to share this one with you particularly because it talks about worries and what we can do if those worries are becoming too big in our heads. Sometimes that does happen, but we can learn to manage those worries without them becoming too overwhelming. So I'd like you to listen to the story, have a little think about it, and then I'll talk to you at the end.
This book is read with permission from Diane Alber.
A Little Spot of Worry, written and illustrated by Diane Alber. Hi, I'm a little spot of worry. I show up when you are feeling concerned, afraid, or scared about something that could be hurtful or harmful to you or others.
Wow, you have a pretty important job.
I belong to a family of feelings that also includes joy, appreciation, and loneliness, to name a few. All feelings have a purpose. Learning when and why they show up can help you make friends, stay safe, motivate you, and so much more. When a worry spot shows up, it can either be a useful worry or a spinning worry. A useful worry prevents you from getting into real danger. A spinning worry uses your imagination to think of danger that probably won't happen. Let me show you the difference. Worry. Useful worry. You need this worry. Spinning worry. You don't need this worry. A useful worry can help you stay safe. It reminds you to wear a helmet so you don't have to worry about hurting your head. Now you are safe and having fun at the same time. A spinning worry will make you imagine a lot of negative what-if thoughts. They get so carried away that they start multiplying, and you won't even think about having fun anymore because you will be so worried.
What if? What if?
Spinning worries keep you from trying safe and new things. That's not good. You just missed out on a fun bike ride.
I'm too scared to try.
If you don't do anything about your spinning worries, they can keep multiplying and turn into a big anxiety spot. And that doesn't make you feel very good. That's why it's important to recognize a spinning worry as soon as possible so you can make it go away quickly. Spinning worry. Spinning worries multiplying. Anxiety spot. Spinning worries don't like spinning at all. It makes them dizzy, and the faster they spin, the more they multiply. Oh no! I'm spinning too fast. Help.
How can we help? What can we do?
A spinning worry can give off warning signs when it starts to multiply. It can cause your heart to beat faster, your tummy could start to hurt, or you could begin to sweat. Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between a real danger, which is a useful worry, and a danger that you imagine. This is a spinning worry. If this happens, ask an adult and they can help you tell the difference. Sometimes in the dark, your imagination tries to trick you. That shadow over there is just your worry spot wearing a funny hat. You can also think of positive what-ifs and positive thoughts. When you believe in yourself, it helps keep a spinning worry away.
What if I become really good at this? I am not scared. I can tell when my imagination is trying to play tricks on me.
The more you grow a confidence spot, the fewer spinning worries you will have. Telling yourself something positive every morning helps keep spinning worries away. I am smart. I am kind. I am brave. Adults who care about you, like your family, teacher, doctor, or coach, have a lot of experience with spinning worries. There is a magical question they can ask you to help make them disappear. Here it is. Spinning worries, why did you appear? Please tell me what made you come here. Now, all you have to do is describe your spinning worries as best as you can. Answering these questions can help. Where were you when your spinning worry showed up? What were you doing when your spinning worry appeared? Did you see or hear something that caused your spinning worry to spin faster? Sometimes it can help to write or draw it out too, and schedule a time with an adult to discuss them later. Just make sure you put them in a place where you'll remember them, like a box or your pocket.
That's a great idea.
The spinning worries will start to disappear when they hear your answers. I'm worried about. I'm scared. I'm afraid of. What if? You are safe. I am here to help spinning worries disappear. I'm listening to every word you say to make spinning worries go away. Hearing these words of encouragement is the final step. Now, all your spinning worries are gone, and all you have left is me, your useful worry. You did it. Remember, all feelings have a purpose. Learning when and why they show up can help you. Now, the next time a spinning worry shows up, you will know what to do.
I hope you enjoyed the story. I know not everybody will be feeling worried, but I am sure there are some of you feeling worried about coming back to school. One of the things that I do when I'm feeling particularly worried about something is I write my worries down. And I find by writing my worries down that it helps them become sort of more manageable in my mind. I also find talking to somebody about things that I'm worried about very helpful. So if you are worried about coming back to school next week, then maybe there is an adult at home that you can talk to things about, or another person that you could maybe talk through some of your worries. One thing I also find really helpful is if I have a worry that is on my mind and making me feel very worried or anxious about something, I tend to think about whether I have been in that situation before and how did I overcome it? What did it feel like? Was there anything I did to help me feel better? So sometimes in my mind I might be saying, have I felt like this before? What did I do to make myself feel better? We really can't wait to see you. We are really, really excited. And I know that people will be nervous on Monday, next Monday, but I just wanted to say that we are all here. We will be here to help everybody. We'll be here to support everybody. We can't wait to see you back at school, and it's going to be fantastic to have everybody back. See you soon. Bye-bye.